This clip while doing this mini roundabout shows why you should keep an eye on the cars from everywhere, even behind. Good spot, good save, that one. When you're learning, this is often one of the most difficult tasks. Not the roundabout, just resisting the temptation not to write off Mum's Duke.
Jesus Christ.
Well seen, well sorted with that one. I hadn't heard this word for ages, and it's so underused.
You pillock!
Watch the white car on the right side of the crossing try and bonnet this pedestrian.
Good God!
Go straight on A14, then take the second left.
This silver Vauxhall in front has got no thought about anyone but themselves.
Follow A14 towards Kettering for 11 miles.
Their refusal to adjust any speed to help anyone out is staggering. The lorry driver doesn't get much credit either for the way that they barged back in. Perhaps it was in retribution. This clip is an example of another car driver who does a right turn without looking thoroughly enough to spot a cyclist. Are there any other factors to this near miss? In this clip, the cyclist is obviously seen, but the red car doesn't give a damn. However terrible red light jumping is, I don't often show many red light jumpers on these editions, because not loads can be learnt from it. But this guy's gonna get on. This is ridiculous. When I first saw this clip, I honestly thought my camera was being a little bit of a job's worth. It's only a couple of motorbikes overtaking. Until we see this guy. Have a look at the oncoming car that's on our side of the road round the corner.
Wow! Whoa! What the hell did she come from?
Here's someone else who wants to drive on the wrong side of the road towards oncoming traffic. Jumping red lights can be lethal, whatever country you live in. This one was spotted really early. Great job. From the US in the last clip, now to Australia. My camera was lucky here. You could see the traffic slowing for the bus from a long way away.
What the?
When you mess up, as long as you use your hazard lights, it's fine. Watch this overtaking vehicle. This clip's from Norway, and it shows that they suffer with must get in front syndrome also. This cyclist sent me in 2 clips of pedestrians walking out in front of him. Sorry to burst your bubble, mate, but if a pedestrian sets foot on the road, you've got to give way to them. Buy a bell also.
You look at all the polling data, and Democrats are much more fearful about coronavirus and the risks than Republicans are. And so
This is a classic case of I'm too important to wait.
about the Biden campaign, where you've got to have 2 minutes 45 of moving pictures.
Which one?
And what have you got? You've got Joe Biden maybe getting on a plane and getting off a plane and talking.
Whoa.
Driving like a knob.
Yeah.
Really flat.
I thought he was being indecisive, he wasn't. He was waiting to cut like the guy up.
Yeah.
There's 2 stupid drivers in this clip. Both of them do their best to make bad out of a good situation. My viewer's sat-nav voice made me chuckle.
At the roundabout, take the second exit. Stay focused.
He took the advice as well. It's a good job. There's 2 faults with this clip. You shouldn't overtake near a junction, and it's because people don't look left well enough when they emerge. A lot of my viewers will know this junction, it's right near mine, but it's not my clip, but it's one hell of a red light jumper. Good spot. It's a good job my viewer was going at a sensible speed, else this could have been deadly. I have no idea how this car got here, but this is one scary position to be in on the hard shoulder in these weather conditions. Have a look closely at the left hand side now. For this final clip, sit back and watch a few terrible overtakes crossing the solid line, and then it's followed up by my viewer John, who shows us how it should be done.
Off air, we're going to ask you both whether you wish to deal or steal. Right now at Wix, Venetia Oak 12mm laminate flooring is just £9 a square metre with Wix Trade Pro. Wix, let's do it right safely.
Start tutoring today with Kip McGrath. Let's make this school year different. We encourage confidence, results, and a change in attitude towards learning. At Kip McGrath, our qualified tutors have the time to focus on your child's needs. The professional tutoring we offer to primary and high school students helps your child improve in English and maths and feel great about their learning. If you think your child needs tutoring, book a free assessment in a centre or online at kipmcgrath.co.uk. Breaking news this October 2021. A recent pollution study shows respiratory illness in children has seen a drastic decrease in over 2026. The fever which can cause serious complications beyond the fact it has no cases in the
Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Happy New Year.